Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on LRC. LRC is still moving inside a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and recently it is bounced very well from the support of this wedge and moving towards the resistance. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern to you in my previous videos as well. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we are about to hit the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And after that, it also broke out another falling wedge pattern, and read the target for this breakout here in the month of March 2024. And we will now analyze this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well, because we have already achieved the target for this breakout, but so far the price did not hit the target for the breakout from the previous falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Golem, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal like this, the trade setup I shared on 19th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this is the buying zone, and the sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very nice pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LRC. And on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern and forming lower lows and lower highs. And now this time it is once again bounced very well from the support of the wedge. This time when it was testing this support of the wedge and this long-term support of 11 cents as well. At the same time, there was a double bullish divergence was also showing on this chart as the price line formed a lower than previous low. You can see it was forming lower than previous low. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then it was forming higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that it was also entered the oversold zone, but still it was forming higher low than previous low, and the price then followed this bullish divergence signal, geared up, and so far from this low, when it was testing the support of the wedge up till here, it has recovered more than 32.9%. And now it is about to hit the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. In case of rejection by the resistance, it can once again test this long-term support of 11 cents. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 50 cents. At 50 cents, by the way, we have a very long-term resistance that had been previously breaking out the resistance here. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, it again worked as a very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance of 50 cents. And after the breakout from this wedge, there will be a probability that soon the price may hit this or break out this resistance of 50 cents. And by the way, on this 7 days time frame chart, RSI is also showing a bullish divergence. This is not the RSI, this is stochastic. If we take a look at the price, and then you can see that it formed lower than previous low. And if you take a look at the RSI, then you can see that RSI is forming a higher low than previous low. Therefore, on the weekly time frame chart, we also have this indication of a price reversal from here. And there is a probability that the price may break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, let's take a look at the previous breakout from this wedge. By the way, it has broken down this recent swing low point before the breakout from this wedge. But now you can see that it has formed another bullish bias pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it will be recovered and we may break out this resistance of 17.5 cents. That was also the recent swing low before the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern. And then I'm expecting that sooner or later the price can hit the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern. And that technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.